Flutter is an open-source UI software development kit by Google, enabling developers to build beautiful, natively compiled applications from a single codebase. Flutter offers fast development with hot reloading. Developers can make changes to the code and see them instantly in the app. This makes it easier and faster to respond to customer feedback or make changes without restarting the whole project. Hot reloading also allows quick testing of new features, speeding up the launch process. With Flutter, you can use a single codebase to create applications for mobile, web, and desktop. This significantly reduces development time and effort, as you do not need to write separate code for each platform. It ensures consistency across all platforms, making maintenance easier. Flutter provides a rich set of customizable widgets that help create visually appealing and highly interactive user interfaces. These widgets are designed to follow both material design and Cupertino standards, ensuring a native look and feel on both Android and iOS platforms. Flutter has a strong and active community of developers. This means you can find plenty of resources, tutorials, and third-party libraries to help you with your project. The community's support ensures that you are never stuck for long and can always find a solution to your problems. In summary, Flutter's fast development, single codebase, rich widgets, and strong community support make it an excellent choice for your next app project. Choose Flutter to streamline your development process and create stunning applications efficiently.